Go to Cat Sprite. Under when space key pressed. Broadcast sound effect 1. When I receive sound effect 1, if game over is not equal to 1, find a sound effect called jump from library. And start sound jump. Under when down arrow key pressed. Inside the if block, broadcast sound effect 2. When I receive sound effect 2, find a sound effect called whip from library. Start sound whip. Go to Wording Sprite, find sound effect loose from library. Under when I receive game over, start sound loose. Go to Wording Tool Sprite. Find sound effect alert from library. Under when I receive level up, start sound alert.